You have to say action. I need you to say it.
Action.
Welcome to the Retro Roadshow at the Computer History Museum in Mountain View, California. We have an amazing exhibition set up. Come on, we'll give you a look. Today's theme is Mario Through the Ages, exploring the entirety of video game history using Nintendo's iconic Mario character as a guide. And our journey begins here with the Atari 2600, the classic original wood grain Atari, built just down the road in Sunnyvale, California. And that game is Mario Brothers. Note that that's not Super Mario Brothers, that comes later. Next door, we have the amazing Intellivision, which was a competitor to the early Atari systems with a lot of great games of its own. A little bit further down the road, we come to the powerhouse, the ColecoVision, the arcade machine that you could bring home. This was an amazing console with great games, and as you can see, you can very easily tell how fast graphics and video game technology developed in just a few years between the first Atari and the ColecoVision. Coming further down the line, we come to the Atari 7800 Pro system, which is also playing its version of Donkey Kong, but an upgraded and enhanced version that's fun to compare against the versions on the other systems. Coming down the row, now we get into the Nintendo console era with the original Nintendo, the NES. But this isn't just any old NES. This is our completely rebuilt, transparent NES that allows folks who are visiting our exhibition to actually see how these machines worked inside. Next to the NES, we have the the regular Nintendo, the mini version, the new style Nintendo Entertainment System, also known as the top loader, complete with its awesome dog bone controllers. And that Nintendo is playing Super Mario Bros. 3, a great game. Coming across the walkway here, we come into the Super Nintendo era. So here we have a Super Nintendo playing Super Mario Kart. And next to that, we have the Super Nintendo Junior, or Mini Super Nintendo, and that is playing Super Mario World 3, Yoshi's Island, a great game. And then finally, we bring you into the 3D era, where we have the amazing Nintendo 64, the 64-bit powerhouse, running Super Mario 64. And finally, next to that, right here we have the Nintendo GameCube, which is rounding out our exhibition, playing Super Mario Kart Double Dash. And that brings us to the end of our intro to the exhibition today. We hope you'll come down and see us.